That's right.
And then be willing to pay the price of what liberty demands, what truth demands. That's what I want. I want to see the Latino family who the enemy wants to pit us against each other.
That's right.
The blacks, some of us are evil and angry because when we look up, our Mexican family has the job. But Mexicans work hard.
Come on now.
When I go to Mexico and look, these are not beggars. These are people that will make something out of nothing and be on the side of the road with business.
Yes, sir.
That's why when the Latinos, as they are called, or Latinas, come to America, they're in unity.
That's right.
And that unity, they start with nothing, with 6 or 8 living in one house.
right.
And the next thing you know, they own the house.
That's
They
right.
own the house
That's
next
right.
door. They start opening up businesses, and you see them thriving
Yes, right, Brother Minister.
while the black community is dying.
Yes, sir.
Why are you dying? What is the matter with the black? You are not less than your Latino family, but you have been fixed mentally by the enemy. You have a greater sense of self as a Latino than the blacks in America do. That has been totally stripped from us.
That's right.
We go to school, we go to college, we have BS degree, master degrees, we have doctorate degrees. What have we produced with it for our children and our future? Nothing. That's a sickness. That's mental. So the enemy is playing us off against each other. At one point, we were the largest minority. I don't know what that means. Oh, we're the largest do-nothing group in the country. Then along comes Mexicans and Latinos that have outstripped us in terms of production of life. So you are a larger minority, but you're very progressive. Very progressive. So the difference between us is we've been made each other's enemy. We've been made to look at each other like we are the real enemy. And the enemy sits back and laughs because he knows he's the author of all of this, that in our unity we can overcome it and do something better. So I want to see our Latino family, our native indigenous family, and the black people of America who are native indigenous to the earth itself, like you.
That's right.
You can't find a birth record to the indigenous natural people because we came with the sun,
That's right.
or
That's
we were
right.
before the sun.
That's right. That's right.
So we're coming back to our original position, and so are you. I hope I answered that question. It's a start. Then what I want you to do, see, when you talk to fellow Latinos, what is your grievance with the government? What is your grievance with the way you are being treated? How can our unity affect a change so that we will be made better by change? I'm not going there seeking nothing from the enemy but to get the hell away from him. I don't want to be with him. I don't know about nobody else. I don't want to be your boy.
That's right.
I don't want to be the singer
That's right.
and the dancer
That's right.
and the clown for white people.
That's right.
I want to be a free black man in a land of my own.
That's right.
You understand what I'm saying?
That's right.
You will never be free with your mouth in somebody else's kitchen. You'll be free when you create your own food,
That's right.
build your own shelter,
That's right.
develop the earth under your foot and become productive and then enter into trade and commerce with the nations of the world.
That's right.
We can't do that as some subservient subgroup to white people.
That's right.
I don't want to be with you.
That's right.
You've become disagreeable to live with in peace. And I'm sick and tired of black people having to say, we love you. We forgive you. Kill us all you want. We're not going to do nothing about it. Those days are over.
That's right. That's right.
Those days are really over.
That's right.
We want some of this earth that we've earned the right to with our native family. This is your earth. And they've reduced your population from what it was thousands of years ago. They cut it all the way down to 2 million in the whole of this great country. Now you're back up to 6 million, they say.
Right.
Then they're making our native women sterile, feeding the native men with alcohol and methamphetamines and raping our girls. No, we can't take this no more.
That's right.
We won't take it anymore.
That's right.
It is better to be dead than to live continually under tyranny and oppression. So once that spirit get in you, then the spirit of the ancestors have risen in you. We can't take it no more. We have to let America know that we're not serving in your damn army no more.
Go ahead.
You want us in your army. You go fight the enemies that you made, because they not our enemies.
That's right.
Can you talk like that?
Come on now.
Well, if you won't, I'll talk for you.
ahead, go ahead.
You just back me up.
Go ahead.
Right.
Gotta go.
That's right. That's right.
Let's give the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan a warm round of applause again. Brothers and sisters, please hold your seat as the Honorable Minister Farrakhan exit, but we want you